A pipe can rotate in a vertical plane, is mounted on a car. Okay, the cart moves along the horizontal direction with a speed of 2 meter per second. At what angle alpha to the horizontal should the pipe be placed so that the drops of the rain falling vertically with a velocity of 6 meter per second move parallel to the walls of the pipe without touching them? Okay, now consider the velocity of the drop as constant due to the air resistance. Now let us consider कि यहाँ पे ये पाइप है. ओके, यहाँ पे ये पाइप है एंड द ड्रॉपलेट्स आर फॉलिंग वर्टिकली डाउनवर्ड्स. ठीक है, द ड्रॉपलेट्स आर फॉलिंग वर्टिकली डाउनवर्ड्स, बट with respect to this pipe it should fall in this direction. ठीक है, या relative velocity will be in this direction. So now over here the relative velocity needs to be in this direction. यहाँ पे that is in the direction of the pipe. The velocity, this is relative velocity. The velocity of the droplets with respect to ground is in this direction. ठीक है, velocity of the rain या velocity of the droplets with respect to the ground is in this direction. अब यहाँ पे what is the formula of relative velocity? The relative velocity of the droplets with respect to that of ground with respect to that of pipe will be equal to velocity of the droplet or velocity of the rain minus velocity of the pipe or velocity of the car. ठीक है, velocity of the rain minus the velocity of the car. अब यहाँ पे कार जा रहा है ये डायरेक्शन में, velocity of the car is in this direction. So velocity of the droplets needs to be in opposite direction. Okay, minus vc, sorry, opposite to that of minus vc will be in opposite direction. So we got this triangle. Now we have to calculate the value of alpha. Alpha is the angle made with the horizontal. So I can say that alpha is this angle. Okay, alpha is this angle made with the horizontal. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे मुझे अल्फ़ा यहाँ पे कैलकुलेट करना है. by alternate angles, if this is alpha, this angle will also be equal to alpha. So अब यहाँ पे tan alpha, simply tan alpha will be equal to velocity of the rain divided by velocity of the car. Okay, velocity of the rain is given as 6 meter per second and velocity of the car is given as 2 meter per second. You can read it over here. ठीक है, velocity of the car is 2 and velocity of the rain is 6. So tan alpha will be equal to 6 divided by 2, which is equal to tan alpha is equal to 3. So alpha is equal to tan inverse 3, which is option number A.